Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy this presentation. Tonight's dish is from Cuba. We're dining on yellow rice with shrimp. The morning mise en place. Just after prep. The Behole spice blend. The shrimp shells and tails in water. Bring to a boil for about 10 minutes. The finished shrimp stock. The evening mise en place in order of appearance. Rinsing the rice. Heating some oil in a saucepan. Add the garlic, bell pepper, and onion and saute. Add the tomato sauce and the pimento and saute some more. Add the rice and the spices. Add the stock and bring to a boil. Here it is boiling. And let it simmer and steam for about 25 minutes. Heating up some oil in a fry pan. Add the shrimp and salt and pepper and saute. Here's the finished shrimp. I add the peas and the finished shrimp to the rice. Here it is all combined. The final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the presentation. Have fun cooking.